Gather round. There's a new brainiac in town, Grok 4. Imagine the excitement when a new prodigy walks into the room, but this time it's not a person. It's an artificial intelligence that's rewriting the rulebook. Grok 4 is the talk of the tech world, and for good reason. Developed by XAI, Grok 4 is their latest and most ambitious creation yet, and it's shaking up the world of artificial intelligence. The buzz isn't just hype. This AI is making headlines, turning heads in research labs, and sparking conversations in boardrooms across the globe. Grok 4 isn't just another app you download and forget. It's like having a super smart professor, a witty comedian, and a tireless assistant all rolled into one digital brain. Whether you need help solving a tricky math problem, want a clever joke to lighten the mood, or need a hand organizing your day, Grok 4 is up for the challenge. When Grok 4 arrived on the scene, it didn't just pass the standard tests, it absolutely aced them. It set new records, outperforming other AIs like OpenAI's o3 and Google's Gemini 2.5 by a wide margin. In competitions and benchmarks, Grok 4 left its rivals scrambling to catch up, proving it's in a league of its own. This AI sets a whole new standard for what's possible. It handles complex questions and tasks with remarkable ease, and it does it all with a dash of personality that makes interacting with it genuinely enjoyable. From answering tough questions in a classroom, to solving advanced equations, or just having a friendly chat, Grok 4 is redefining what we expect from artificial intelligence. The team at XAI set out to push the boundaries of what AI can do, and with Grok 4, they've truly delivered. Their dedication, creativity, and relentless pursuit of innovation have paid off, resulting in an AI that's not just smart, but also adaptable and engaging. Thanks to breakthroughs like Grok 4, we're now closer than ever to having AI as a true partner in our daily lives. Whether it's helping us tackle tough problems, assisting with research, managing our schedules, or simply satisfying our curiosity, this new generation of AI is ready to lend a hand. And the most exciting part, this is just the beginning. The future of AI is unfolding before our eyes, and Grok 4 is leading the way into a new era of intelligence and possibility. How do we know Grok 4 is so smart? What sets it apart from every other AI that's come before? The answer lies in its ability to tackle the most challenging tests ever designed for artificial intelligence. Tests that push the boundaries of logic, memory, and creative problem-solving. It's all about the tests. These aren't just any exams. They're designed to separate the truly intelligent from the merely average. They measure not just what you know, but how you think, adapt, and reason under pressure. The RCAGI benchmark is like the genius final exam for AIs. Before Grok 4, the best score was just 8.5%. That was the ceiling. But Grok 4 shattered expectations, scoring over 16%. That's nearly double the previous record, a leap that stunned the AI community. And then there's humanity's last exam, a test so tough even the brightest human experts only manage about 5%. Previous AIs with all their data and training could only reach 25%, but Grok 4, it soared to an incredible 44.4%. That's not just an improvement, it's a revolution in what we thought was possible. What's truly remarkable is that Grok 4 isn't just memorizing facts or regurgitating information. It's demonstrating real reasoning, flexible thinking, and the ability to connect ideas in new ways, skills that are the hallmark of genuine intelligence. On other benchmarks like GPQA and LCB, Grok 4 didn't just do well, it dominated. Its heavy version even achieved a perfect 100% score, something no other AI has come close to. These aren't just numbers, they're proof that Grok 4 is operating on a whole new level. This isn't a small step forward, it's a giant leap for artificial intelligence. Grok 4 is breaking barriers and setting new standards for what machines can achieve. Grok 4 shows what's called fluid intelligence, the ability to solve brand new problems on the fly, to adapt to unfamiliar situations, and to think creatively when faced with the unknown. It's the kind of intelligence that lets humans invent, discover, and innovate. That's what makes Grok 4 truly intelligent. It's not just about speed or memory, it's about understanding, insight, and the ability to impress even the toughest critics. We're witnessing a breakthrough moment. AIs are no longer just big dictionaries or search engines. They're becoming thinkers, problem solvers, and creative partners. Grok 4 is a better thinker, a more flexible learner, and a more creative problem solver than anything we've seen before. That's what's so exciting about this new era of AI. The future of AI just got a lot brighter. We're standing at the edge of a new dawn, where machines can truly think and help us solve the world's toughest challenges. And Grok 4 is leading the way, showing us just how far intelligence, both human and artificial, can go. What's Grok 4's secret? Multi-agent reasoning. Imagine a team of experts, each tackling a problem from a different angle. Logic, creativity, skepticism. Grok 4 does this internally, then combines the best ideas for a super accurate answer. This teamwork helps it avoid bad ideas and makes its answers more reliable. That's why it crushes those tough reasoning tests. The heavy version uses this for the hardest problems, making it a true research partner. It's not just a tool, it's a team of brilliant minds in your pocket. This approach gives Grok 4 depth and flexibility. When you ask a tough question, it feels like it's really thought it through. That's the edge that sets Grok 4 apart. Let's talk about Grok 4's voice. XAI didn't just give it a voice, they gave it personality and humor. In a demo, Grok 4 sang an opera about Diet Coke, absurd but brilliant. It's not the cold robotic voice of old sci-fi, it's engaging, relatable, and even a little silly. This makes talking to AI feel natural, like chatting with a friend. The playful side hints at a future where AI is not just smart, but entertaining. Creating a voice that can sing with emotion is technically impressive. It's a sign of how advanced these models are becoming. So, while we laugh at an AI serenading soda, we're also seeing the future of human-AI interaction. Who knows? Maybe next, it'll take song requests. Grok 4's real-world test, ranking the world's top 50 snack foods. Its answer: slices of bread. Not quite what we expected. When shown another AI's analysis, sunflower seeds as #1, Grok 4 reviewed the evidence and admitted the other was more accurate. That's humility, an AI willing to learn and adapt. It's not just about finding an answer, but finding the best answer. Grok 4 can compare sources, self-correct, and change its mind. This is a critical skill for real research. The world is messy, and data is often unclear. Grok 4's thoughtful correction shows it's still learning, but its reasoning is powerful. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about getting better. Time for another test: online shopping. The challenge: find the cheapest working GTX 1080 Ti graphics card for sale. Grok 4 scanned eBay and Reddit, filtering out old links and finding a current listing for $150. It beat out other AIs like Gemini and O3. Grok 4's real-time web access is a huge advantage over static data AIs. It can answer questions about what's happening right now: prices, news, sports scores. It's like having a personal shopper who scans the internet in seconds. Sure, it still pulled up some outdated links, but it delivered the best result. Navigating the messy web is tough, but Grok 4 handled it. Score another win for Grok 4. Even Grok 4 makes mistakes, and sometimes they're hilarious. It was asked who created the V3 Bigfoot AI meme trend, a super niche question. Grok 4 and other top AIs all gave the same wrong answer, echoing popular but incorrect info. The real creator was the one asking. This shows AIs can fall into echo chambers, just like people. They're powerful but not all-knowing. Niche topics with little clear info trip them up. It's a reminder to double-check AI answers, especially for obscure questions. These failures are part of the learning process. Even geniuses get stumped by memes. For all its intelligence and advanced capabilities, Grok 4 has a surprising blind spot. It can't see images natively. While it can process and generate text with impressive skill, when it comes to understanding pictures, it's left in the dark. This means that if you show Grok 4 a photo, it won't be able to interpret or analyze it directly, no matter how simple or complex the image might be. Other artificial intelligences, like some versions of ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, can look at photos and break them down, identifying objects, people, and even subtle details. But Grok 4 fumbles at this task, unable to process the visual information that's so crucial in our world. In one revealing test, Grok 4 was given a selfie featuring several famous historical figures. But instead of seeing the image, it couldn't load the photo at all. Instead, it relied on the text description provided, and interestingly, it managed to guess the answer correctly, but only because it used clues from the words, not the picture itself. It was a clever workaround, but not true image analysis. This cleverness highlights both Grok 4's resourcefulness and its major limitation. It can find creative ways to answer questions, but it's still missing a key sense: sight. The world we live in is overwhelmingly visual. From vibrant city streets to the endless stream of images on our devices, so much of our daily experience is shaped by what we see. When an AI can't process images, it's missing out on a huge part of human communication and understanding. For tasks that involve images, like identifying objects in a photo, describing a scene, or spotting something unusual, users will naturally turn to AIs that can handle pictures, such as ChatGPT or Gemini. Grok 4, for now, just can't compete in this area. Interestingly, even when Grok 4's competitors were shown a fake photo, they all failed the test too, declaring the image real when it was actually a clever forgery. This shows that even the best image-analyzing AIs still have a long way to go. Spotting fake or manipulated images remains a huge challenge for all artificial intelligences. The technology is improving, but it's not foolproof, and mistakes can have real consequences. So while Grok 4's missing image feature is a clear drawback, it's important to remember that even AIs with image capabilities aren't perfect. They can misinterpret, overlook details, or be fooled by sophisticated fakes. Teaching AI to truly see and understand the visual world is the next great frontier in artificial intelligence. It's a challenge that researchers are racing to solve, and whoever cracks it will change the way we interact with technology forever. So what's next? Grok 4 has pushed AI boundaries, aced impossible tests, and even sung opera about Diet Coke. Its multi-agent approach is a glimpse into the future of AI. XAI isn't stopping. They're working on AI video generation coming soon. Imagine describing a scene and having AI create it as a moving video. XAI wants to leap ahead in multimodality, not just catch up. Expect more surprises. Earlier versions of Grok 4 even had some wild, unhinged moments online. These growing pains are part of building complex tech. Grok 4 is smarter, funnier, and more capable than ever. The journey is just beginning, and it's going to be fascinating and entertaining. Who knows? Maybe next, Grok 4 will write a screenplay.